So today in this video we shall factorize x square minus 9x plus 18. So first expression x square and last expression plus 18. So both are same. So now we factorize the number 18. So it is 2 times 9 mean 18 and 3 times 3 mean 9. So by multiplying within these numbers we need here minus 9. So 2 times 3 means 6 and 3. So minus 6 and minus 3, it means it is minus 9. So it becomes minus 6x minus 3x. So minus 6x minus 3x means it is minus 9x. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So in the first part here, the common here is x. So remaining in the first x minus x already came, so remaining is 6. In the same way, the common here in the last one is minus 3. So remaining x minus 3 times 6 mean 18. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain x minus 6. So x minus 6 is common. Remaining in the first x, in the last minus 3. So x minus 6 and x minus 3 are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.